something we do like breathing. Travel to open our hearts and eyes and learn more about the world. Travel to sense to become young force against to slow time down and get taken in and fall in love once more. And we travel initially to lose ourselves and next to find ourselves. When we have a dream, we can do anything to make it true even it's difficult. We will explore the world starting from our motherland. Yes, we may get tired, but we'll never give up. Because we know the end of the journey is wonderful. Here is our journey to YAHANGALA. None of us are not experts in cooking, but we all can do small things. We can be a part of cooking. Together we could complete a wonderful job. Teamwork, divide the task and multiply the success. That's how we fulfill our dream together as a family. Here is our dream destination, YAHANGALA. See how beautiful it is. YAHANGALA is the mountain with unique shape of a bed situated at eastern edge of Lankan mountain range. According to the Sri Lankan mythology, YAHANGALA, the place where great king Ravana's body was kept for last respecting following he became unconscious by arrow flay by Rama's bow. Thus, the place is called as Bedrock, YAHANGALA. It's also believed to be a holy place protected by the local god Galebandara. According to the local, there are two paths to YAHANGALA from the camping point. One is directly climb up and the second one is hiking to the savannah. However, the first one was most adventurous and charming path which we have chosen. It was not easy to hike at all. But we know amazing viewpoint from the top as well. Strength doesn't come with gender, it's developed by struggle we face. No matter it's a girl or a boy, everyone has to go through hardships. We pass most extremely caution points with caring fathers. It was very difficult to put the next step with that heavy wind surrounding. Don't be novice, we nailed it. Helping and caring for others was most important during this journey. Nothing is possible. The impossible only takes a little bit longer to achieve. up to you. We had to put a great effort to get into the mountain through some difficult places. There were some places where we used rope and other safety tools to get in there. Just reach to the top. In the presence of eternity, the mountain has transits at the cloud. It's infinity moving to us. We never get tired seeing what's happening up there. Each experience in our lives were absolutely necessary to have gotten us to the next place, the next step, up until this every moment. Just enjoy the moment, because in the end you won't remember the time you spent working or studying. Just live in the moment, live in your dreams. After spending few hours on the top with the great feelings, just started to the climb down. That's our journey to YAHANGALA.